Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. What if you could enjoy the rights of two different countries, travel freely, and expand your opportunities for work and investment? That's the power of dual citizenship. But is it all good news, or are there hidden challenges? In today's video, we'll break down the pros and cons of dual citizenship in 2025, exploring how it can benefit you and where it might cause complications. Let's dive in. Number 1. What is dual citizenship? Dual citizenship, also known as multiple citizenship, means being a legal citizen of two countries at the same time. This means you have rights and responsibilities in both nations. You can obtain dual citizenship in several ways, including birth, marriage, naturalization, or investment programs. With globalization at an all-time high in 2025, more people are considering this option. But is it the right move for you? Let's break it down. Number 2. The pros of dual citizenship. 1. Increased global mobility. One of the biggest advantages of dual citizenship is travel freedom. Some passports grant visa-free access to many countries, making travel easier. For example, if you have a U.S. and an Italian passport, you can travel freely between the U.S., the EU, and many other countries without needing a visa. In 2025, with many nations tightening border controls, having a second passport can be a game changer. 2. More work and business opportunities. Dual citizenship can open doors to employment and business expansion. Some countries have restrictions on hiring foreign workers. But as a citizen, you get access to job markets and business incentives in both countries. If you're an entrepreneur, you can operate in both nations without worrying about visa or work permit issues. 3. Access to social benefits and healthcare. Being a citizen of two countries means you can access healthcare, education, and social services in both. This is especially useful if one country offers better medical services or free education. Many retirees choose dual citizenship for this reason, ensuring they have access to the best healthcare possible. 4. Better investment and property ownership options. Some countries restrict property ownership for foreigners. As a dual citizen, you can buy real estate in both countries without restrictions, making it easier to invest in property, start businesses, or secure long-term financial stability. 5. Security and stability. Having a second citizenship provides a safety net. If one country faces political instability, economic crisis, or even war, you have the legal right to relocate to your second country. Many high-net-worth individuals secure dual citizenship as a backup plan. Number 3. The cons of dual citizenship. 1. Double taxation issues. One major downside is double taxation. Some countries, like the U.S., tax their citizens regardless of where they live. This means if you're earning money in one country, you might still owe taxes to your second country. While tax treaties exist to prevent double taxation, the paperwork and compliance requirements can be overwhelming. 2. Legal and military obligations. Some countries require their citizens to serve in the military. If you hold dual citizenship with such a country, you might be obligated to serve or face penalties. Similarly, you might have to comply with legal obligations in both countries, such as jury duty or legal restrictions that differ from your primary country. 3. Complex bureaucracy and paperwork. Managing dual citizenship often means dealing with more bureaucracy. You may have to renew two passports, comply with two sets of immigration laws, and report to two different governments. If one country has strict travel restrictions or complicated renewal processes, it can be a hassle to keep both citizenships active. 4. Limited access to certain government positions. Some countries prohibit dual citizens from holding high-ranking government positions. For example, certain political roles, security positions, and even military service roles may require exclusive loyalty to one country. If you plan to pursue a career in government, dual citizenship could be a barrier. 5. Risk of losing citizenship. Some countries do not recognize dual citizenship and might revoke your original citizenship if you acquire another. In 2025, some governments are enforcing stricter nationality laws, meaning that taking on a second citizenship could result in losing your first. Always check the laws before making a decision. Number 4. Is dual citizenship right for you? Dual citizenship is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It can be a fantastic opportunity for travel, business, and security. But it also comes with tax burdens, legal obligations, and bureaucratic challenges. So before making a decision, ask yourself these questions. Do I need easier global mobility? Will I use the benefits of social services, education, or business opportunities in both countries? Am I prepared for the legal responsibilities, taxes, and paperwork involved? Does my current country allow dual citizenship, or will I risk losing my nationality? Dual citizenship is a powerful tool in today's globalized world, offering incredible advantages, but also bringing responsibilities. If you're considering it, do your research, consult an immigration expert, and weigh the pros and cons carefully. What do you think? Would you want dual citizenship? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on global opportunities.